Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I am spreading acrylic paints as a base coat to the canvas and getting ready for the resin pour. This video wasn't supposed to start this way, but I had my worst nightmare while shooting it. As an artist, we do all the work starting from conceptualizing our art pieces, getting the right materials, preparing the canvas and making art video, shooting, editing, uploading and marketing it. When doing art pieces like this large beachpour, which is on a 24 by 30 inches wood panel, we do have limited time to mix the resin, add color pigments and spread it the right way on the canvas. But in such hurry, accidents are unavoidable. A minor spill is normal, but this time I mixed a huge tumbler of resin and accidentally dropped my iPhone in it. I usually shoot my art videos with an iPhone that is clamped with the help of this holder straight upright over the canvas. But my phone got snapped out and fell in the resin. It's a moment of panic for me. One way, you have to work on this fast setting resin and the other side save your phone. Well, my iPhone is an old model 7S which is not resistant to fluids. But thanks to the highly viscous nature of art resin, I was able to wipe it with the paper towels. I shut my mobile off and restarted it, and here it's working again. I also happened to complete my beach pour without wasting my spill resin on the canvas. I picked it with the spatula and added alcohol inks and glitters to achieve my beautiful colors. Here the moment when the iPhone dropped in the resin, you can see the tumbler and next to it alcohol ink bottle and torpedo level scale. You can recheck it in slow-mo. And sorry for the poor quality of this clip, I do not intend to shoot again to show you one. Anyways, I was happy that I could complete my art and show you the complete piece. But sorry, I missed the complete process video. It was short, but somehow I cannot retrieve it. It is in some other format that is not being supported by iMovie. So here's my story about the resin fail. I hope you enjoy looking at this marvelous sparkly beach pour with realistic hues 3D waves. Thank you for watching it and supporting my channel. And do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications to see more such calming art videos. Take care. Bye.